This is item number AFK 451. A 3/8 diameter, about 4 inches long, quick release weight stack pen, also known as a weight stack selector key. Like all of our weight stack pens, the 4-inch length refers to the penetrative depth of the shank. In other words, the maximum depth into the weight stack plate. That's about 379. That's 4 thousandths over the nominal size of 3/8, very close. The penetrative length, which is always measured underneath the handle, is, as you can see, very close to 4 inches, which is the nominal size. This is a 4-inch wide plate, which is what this pen is intended for. This is what a center selector shaft looks like. This is just a piece of one for display purposes. So that will go into the center of the weight stack plate. And so when you insert the pen, as you can see, the pen goes all the way through. The T-handle features a spring-loaded push button that acts on 2 ball-bearing detents towards the tip of the shaft. The shaft is cadmium-plated. When the push button is released, the detents expand outward. This keeps the pen in place while in motion. There's 2 ball detents, and they are from underneath the handle, 3 3/4 of an inch on center on both sides. The 4-inch long pen would be used on 4-inch long plates like this one, or even less. Once this pen is inserted all the way, the ball detents are sitting about right here, and they grip to the inside of the hole, so that this pen won't come out easily, making it much safer. We have different lengths available depending on the width of your plates. These are aerospace quality and typically used on various aircraft applications. They present a high-tech look and function better than any other pen we offer for fitness equipment. One of the ears has a hole to attach a lanyard to help prevent them from mysteriously walking out the door due to their popularity. This is the lanyard already attached to a pen. The other side attaches to the machine. It attaches to the top part of the center selector shaft so that nobody can walk away with the pen. There will be a link in the description directly to this pen to find out more information or to place an order. There will also be a link to the weight stack pen category page showing all of the pens that we offer, including different lengths of this same pen and various lanyards that can be deployed. If you want more information about this lanyard, watch this video.